morning, students. My name is G. Shamsar, first year BHC. I want to teach zoology subject to a topic disorder of the respiratory system. What is the disorder? What is the respiration system? Do you know disorders? How many types of disorders? How many types of disorders? Disorder is a asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, pneumonia, etc. And what is the respiration? It is exchange of gases. When the exchange of the gases, its oxygen is released outside. It takes the oxygen and what is the respiration system? Now we have to read it. Respiration means the disorders or lung disease. Respiration disorders, lung disease like respiration disorders అనేది lung disease లాంటి or disorders such as asthma, emphysema and lung cancer, pulmonary disease, and it is like symptoms trachea, pneumonia, like that. It has respiration. When the respiration, you have to should be respiration disease symptoms. It is a difficult breathing. It is difficult breathing to feel a shortness of breathing during exercise. It is present when the extend yourself. When was the it's a chest pain? When was the chest pain? When you have asthma, it is completely disorders. It is completely disorders. Okay, you can listen. We have to first topic respiration. Respiration is a it is commonly it's disorders. Disorders means it's lung disease. It is emphysema, lung cancer, and pneumonia. It is commonly uh, urine disease and lung disease. It is completely symptoms. Do you know? Okay. Now let's go to our asthma topic. Let's go to asthma topic. What is the respiration? When the respiration system, when the respiration system, it's is a people. It generally think of breathing, but breathing is a only one of the activity. Only one of the activities. Then respiration system is blood cells need a supply of oxygen for the metabolism metabolism process that are necessarily to maintain life. The respiration system works with a circular system. Respiration system is a working circular system to provide this oxygen and to remove the wastage. Metabolism it is also helps pH of the blood. Metabolism helps into pH of the blood. And respiration is the event, the exchange of gases and carbon dioxide between the atmosphere. Huh? Do you know oxygen and carbon dioxide? It is completely when it is was in our body. Oxygen not there means we cannot live, and carbon dioxide not there means we cannot live. That's why these two are very 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 important. It's and atmosphere body cells every 3 to 5 seconds 3 to 5 seconds breathing process which move air which move air passing through into and out of lungs with lungs. After this there is any exchange of gases between the lungs and the blood. లంగ్స్ నుంచి బ్లడ్ దాకా అవి ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేయడానికి ఉంటా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాసెస్. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ మీన్స్ బయట భాగం, ఇంటర్నల్ మీన్స్ లోపల భాగం. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ రెస్పిరేషన్ and transport blood transport to gas and tissue cells, the exchange of the gases between the blood cells. Internal respiration I'll tell you now. External respiration and internal respiration is finally the cells attach the oxygen finally attached to the oxygen and facial activities the cellular respiration together this activity. When the respiration in our body we have to live. And next topic, asthma. We have to take the asthma. Asthma is winter season coming. It is asthma. It is difficult breathing problem. And we have to take the topic asthma. Asthma causes the inside walls of the air walls and bronchitubes to bronchicavity. During any asthma attack, the air walls well slow, the muscles around them tunes, and it's become difficulty from it. It has around the out of the lungs to move out of the lungs. Around 7.9 percentage peoples in the United States had asthma. In 2017, there are many types of asthma and several factors. Many types of asthma, there is several factors. It causes asthma or trachea attached to. It's looking a type of case. Asthma as well as asthma is one of the most common infection disorders. When the whatever between 5% and more than 20%, it is clear when some people get asthma, and we have to it is definite should, and asthma another environment and general factors. Asthma affects all ages. It is mostly common coronary disease of childhood and has largest effects on schools and work performance of. Asthma is a to public health. There is no care and many percentages remaining uncontrollable level. When the asthma, it's a this winter season coming, so many members suffering from asthma. It was difficult breathingness problem with exchange of gases. It is uh, sy- asthma symptoms are asthma symptoms are chest pain, shortness of breathing, etc. And we have to take the emphysema. What is emphysema? Emphysema is a type of COPD. COPD is a group of lung disease. It is a group of lung disease to breathing and to breathing and of lung disease that make it a over time. Many types of COPD is bronchitis. Mostly peoples with COPD have both emphysema and bronchitis, but have several each types is can be different from person to person, can be different person to person. Emphysema affect the in your lungs. Normally, this stable breathing in each air, it was breathing out and the air breathing out of the air. In emphysema, the walls between many of the are damaged. This cause the air lost their shape and become a damage the lungs. Lungs are lungs to move oxygen in carbon dioxide out of your body. What case of emphysema? Emphysema usually long term. The damage your lungs. United States. Smoking is a mainly smoking is mainly it is dangerous to health to lungs. Emphysema is a lung that caused shortness of breathing. In peoples with emphysema, in the lungs are damaged over time. The inner walls of the air, largest air species, intestine of the many small. This received the surface area of the lungs. Amount of the oxygen that reach your blood. When your lungs are damaged, the blood, it is a definitely it is emphysema is a shortness of breathing to lungs. Normal alcohol we have to take. Emphysema is lungs that cause of shortness of breathing. People with emphysema they see in the lungs are damaged over time. The intervals of the air weaken, creating largest air species, many small one. Then the emphysema is a long term lung disease. This chronobronchitis are the mostly two types, two main types of COPD. The third leading cause of the death. United States. It is because it's has through something is a smooth flow of air in and out of the lungs. Doctor established the more than 24 hours million peoples. United States have emphysema and another COPD. Many of the do not can it. Emphysema is a long-term lung disease. This corona of bronchitis are the two maintains of maintain of COPD. The third leading case of the death in the United States. This candidate of the because it has through something smooth fall out of the lungs. Doctor established the 24 hours and the pneumonia. Pneumonia is a your lungs main job is to get oxygen into your body, into your bloods, and remove carbon dioxide during breathing. You have breathing 12 to 20 times per minute when you are not sick. When you breathing in air travel down the back of your and passes through your voice box and into your wood windpipe trachea. Your trachea split into two air bronchial tubes. One bronchial tubes lead to the left lungs. The another to the right lung. For the lungs to prepare from their best, the airway need to be open as you are breathing in out of difficult time of coughing and case of lung. People who smoke or drink alcohol. Smoking damage lung tissue and long term alcohol weakness the immunity system. People who are exposed to tax from chemical or second hand smoking weakness lungs functions and make it stable to pregnancy women beginning pregnancy increasing the risk of developing pneumonia. This is due to the system of a mother not working at full. It is fever, difficult breathing, shortness of breathing, chest pain, newborn or get Rest of the pneumonia it cause of bacteria present in the birth canal in your young children's. Viruses are the main cause of pneumonia. Pneumonia is caused by bacteria. When was starting with your fever and fast breathing symptoms are morely slow to be less several when pneumonia is caused by virus. It cause of pneumonia your self use should be its pneumonia is a one type of disease, one type of disorders. When you smoking your lungs also damage. It is lungs injurious to your health. And thank you to all. Thank you sir. Thank you so much. And today zoology experiment for emphysema. How to damage in our lungs. That experiment we have to do, and we have to see the in our lungs. Human respiratory system. Human respiratory system means this is a lung and bronchiality, alcohol. It is a heart, trachea, and it is a cut end of rub. Cut off end of rub, and it was today we have to start the zoology experiment. Today zoology experiment for the those who are smoking and those who are alcohol taking. We have to see the water was going outside. Those who are smoking, the air is going inside. Lungs also like that, uh, and it was difficult breathingness, and we have to close the bottle. We have to keep the and we have to open the cap and we keep the tissue paper. When the tissue paper open the like that damage to like black color in our body, lungs are damaged, and it is it is injurious to health. It is when was the you observe this white paper turn into black in the smoke. In the same way your lungs your body lungs also change into black color, then your lungs get damaged. So please don't smoke. Smoking is injurious to health.